How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Caswell Customs. Vinny,
Brent here,
and today we're doing, like we said, we got a ton of body work to do. So continuing body work on the White Knight Pre-Runner. We've been getting a lot of catching on the inside of these fenders. A lot of people end up just cutting a lot of it out. So we've been catching real bad here. And I've tried doing some more clearancing, but basically we're going to take this whole lip part pretty much away that's in here, and we're going to cut all along the outside here, give us a bigger wheel well section. We're also going to have to cut out more of the inner fender. These 37s are just too big for this wheel well, so we got to clear some more out. So we're going to go ahead and cut away all the fiberglass, cut that out, and we should take care of a lot of the clearance problems we've been having. So let's get started.
It's not turning out too bad. It's a little hard to control, but what we're using is this Ingersoll Rand. It's a model 429, I believe. It's a little reciprocating saw. You got some little 3-inch, 2-inch blade. Not bad, but it's kind of fighting us. But we just got to work at it a little bit more. For anyone who's interested, here's the product. Like I said, Ingersoll Rand model 429. Honestly, first impressions, a little disappointed. I mean, we're only cutting through fiberglass, and it's not even that thick, but it seems like it keeps getting hung up, and just not enough power. We tried turning up the PSI. It says operating PSI was 90. That's what we're running on, but it's still not enough. So, honestly, a little disappointed.
A little bit. So originally my plan was to take out a large section of this wheel well because we've been grinding on the inside here, and I saw someone on Instagram do it on their Chevy Silverado, which is the same internal structure as the Sierra, but I'm realizing that this coolant box here is, I don't even know what that is, that power steering fluid. I don't know, but whatever this is bolted to the bottom of this. The battery tray is bolted to the bottom of this, so I don't want to remove all that. And I know on the other side the fuse box is bolted to that, and I got some L brackets to change that out, but I don't want to be cutting that much away, so what we're going to end up doing is just cutting here to here, trying to roll this corner as much as possible. That way I'm not digging my tire into this corner here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out.
I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about round when it's past 2. Reach a glass, do no. You don't gotta fight alone.
Alright, so as you can see, we clearanced out the front fenders, and that is going to be so much better and not having all that rubbing that we had before. So hoping to go back up to the sand dunes probably in October. They close at the end of October, so hopefully get one more trip up there this year. Hopefully get Brent's truck out on the sand dunes. So
Full send, baby.
Full send. Stay tuned next week for all the diesel performance we're about to do to that truck. Whew! The thing is gonna be a killer. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you wanna see that. As always, thanks for watching another episode. My name's Vinny.
This is Brent.
This has been Caswell Customs. See you in the next one.
You stole my heart.